Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com, and I'm here at home because of what's going on in the world. Everybody knows what's going on in the world. I don't need to mention it every time. You know what's going on in the world, and it's too bad. I'm stuck at home, but I'm still having fun. I'm playing with my yo-yo. As you know, Magic Matt loves his yo-yo, and this is a Duncan Butterfly YoYo, and I've had a Duncan Butterfly YoYo pretty much my whole life. The first one I got was in 3rd grade. I like these yo-yos, and this is a fixed axle yo-yo, so it doesn't spin forever, but I can still do some pretty cool tricks with it. And before I do a trick, I got a joke for you. Now, I don't know if many of you know who this is, but what would happen if Ella Fitzgerald married Darth Vader? Her name would be Elevator. And that's the trick I'm gonna do for you right now. It's called the elevator. Here we go. Bam, the elevator. It's a pretty fun trick. It looks kind of trippy, pretty cool. Thanks for everybody for watching. Magic Matt, Blinky.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And it's good to see you. You smell good as usual. Take care.